Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Electric pressure cooker. 7in, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Versatile inner cooking pot. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and perfect for sautéing. Discover amazing recipes. Includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Countertop blender. Professional power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source, corded electric, amperage, 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. What's included? 1000-watt motor-based professional blender, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Spiralizer vegetable slicer. Safer slicer. Safety mandolin slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity. Once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer, larger feeding port container chopper, more food at once. Offers 4 mode choices: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once, no need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness 0.1 to 8 millimeters, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. High quality. The food mandolin is made of 420 stainless steel blades, safe and healthy. Vegetable slicer is a good idea for the festival of wedding or home gift. Assure, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Once for all, we provide 24 months of warranty for each vegetable slicer. Avocado slicer. Packaging includes you'll get 1 PCS 3-in-1 avocado tool, splits, pits, and slices avocados safely and effectively. The round hole design makes it easy to hang up to save your kitchen space. And this all-in-one tool splits, pits, and slices avocados. Easy to use. In just a few minutes of cutting and pitting, an avocado salad can be prepared in no time. Stainless steel pitter removes pit with a simple twist. Any size of avocado cores can be removed easily. Plastic blade easily cuts through the avocado skin without being sharp to touch. Dishwasher safety, BPA-free, FDA silicone material, food-grade silicone handle, tasteless, durable, and heat-resistant for everyday use, and easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Multipurpose use, not only used for avocado, but also used for kiwi fruit. It's good for mashing avocado and banana. Good for making guacamole. Enjoy all your delicious fruit with your family. Stand mixer. Compact designed and more color options. The stand mixer is less than 7 pounds with dimension 12.9 by 7 by 10.2 in, small and easy to storage, which could help space saving. Perfectly suitable for small kitchen, apartment, or limited storage space. And multiple colors to choose. Meet a variety of aesthetic needs for your kitchen. 3.2 QT capacity and tilt head design. Our little kitchen mixer equipped with 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl. Suitable for new baker, 1-2 members family or couples. Easy to operate and clean up. Tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. And transparent anti-splash lid could prevent the ingredient making a mess. Excellent gift and support. The electric mixer is also an excellent gift idea for your family and friends. We have confidence in the quality of our products and will provide after-sales guarantee for it. If you have any questions when received or during your using, please contact us at ease. Hand blender. Superior function. Versatile and durable, the Cuisinart 300-watt Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender switches from low to high speed quickly. Must-have features. Comfort grip handle with push button for continuous action and variable speed slide control. Easy to use. On OFF switch with lock/unlock button and 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. Included, 3-cup chopper/grinder, chef's whisk, 2-cup mixing/measuring cup. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way. Every time, we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push-start button. It couldn't be easier. Griddler. Superior performance. Cuisinart's 5-to-1 griddler is a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill/half griddle. Easy to use. The griddler plates, 11-inch x 9-inch, are removable, reversible, and are dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates. The plates also act as a drain for the grease for cooking more healthy. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. Also included, red/green indicator lights for easy operation, dishwasher-safe scraping tool for easy cleanup, and an instruction manual with gourmet recipes for you to enjoy. Custom control. Sturdy panini-style handle with hinged floating cover adjusts to thickness of food, selector knob choose grill or griddle function, and the adjustable temperature controls for grill or griddle. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Fruit Soft Serve Maker. Quick and easy to use. Within minutes, easily turn any frozen fruit into a smooth ice cream or sorbet-like treat without additional fats, sugars, or preservatives. Delicious versatility. Create your own healthy, vegan, keto, and dairy-free treats, or use the 36 included recipes to create simple, homemade desserts like pies, parfaits, and sorbets. Easy to clean. All removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the base easily wipes clean after use. Perfect serving size. Make a single serving or enough for the whole family. Peace of mind, trusted brand for over a decade, 1-year limited defective coverage, and BPA-free.